Hello students, myself George. Today I am going to give you a brief knowledge of football. Football is a team sport played with a spherical ball between two teams consisting of 11 players each. It is approximately played by 250 million players over 200 countries, making it the world's most popular sport. The game is played on a rectangular field called a pitch, with a goal at each end. The object of the game is to score by moving the ball beyond the goal line into the opposing goal. Football is played in accordance with a set of rules known as the laws of the game. The ball consists of 27 to 28 inches in circumference, known as football. The time period of the game is of 90 minutes. There is two halves. One half consists of 45 minutes. After the completion of first half, the teams get 15 minutes of half time. After that, after the completion of 15 minutes, the second half started. The two teams each compete to get the ball into the other team's goal between the posts under the bar, thereby scoring a goal. The team that scored more goals at the end of the game is the winner. If the score is level at the end, then it is declared to be a draw, or the game goes into extra time or a penalty shootout, depending upon the format of the tournament. The world football is governed by a governing body known as FIFA. The full form of FIFA is Federation of International Football Association. FIFA organizes World Cup for both men and women. The championship has been awarded every 4 years since the inaugural tournament in 1930, except in 1942 to 1946 due to Second World War. Current champion is France, which won its second title at the 2018 tournament in Russia. FIFA was founded in 1930. Number of teams which took part in World Cup is 32. Current champion of World Cup is France. Most successful team in the World Cup scenario is Brazil. The current format involves qualification phase, which takes place over the preceding 3 years. In the tournament phase, 32 teams, including the automatically qualifying host nation, participates. The 21 World Cup tournaments have been won by 8 national teams. Brazil won 5 times, and they are the only team to have played in every tournament. Other winners are Germany and Italy 4 times each, Argentina, France and Uruguay with 2 titles each, England and Spain 1 title each. Till today, 17 countries have hosted the World Cup. The next World Cup, Qatar is going to host in 2022. And in 2026 will be jointly hosted by Canada, United States and Mexico, which will give Mexico the distinction of being the first country to host World Cup 3 times.